How are you? I hope you all are good. So today in this video we are going to make these bookmarks from the clothing tags. These are very simple to make and I hope you will enjoy this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So what I'm taking here are clothing tags, colors and paintbrush and a pen as well. I will recommend you to use a ball pen for more good results, and so let's get started. This is one of the bookmark I made to show how it came out, and I'm very satisfied with the result. So these are the two clothing tags from which I will make bookmark today. First I'm taking all the printed thing out so that we can get a plain surface on both the sides.